Huh? Oh, that's a big one.
Just a little bit.
A small one lang yan. But it's too red. What happened pala?
And young Kabi was running, I fell down. Then my shoe got off from my feet.
And then you did not cry. Let me see first. Let me see.
I almost cried.
That's quite big. Wait lang kay mama. Let me see again. That's quite big and quite deep and it's too red. Okay. You did not cry. Let me see you.
When I fell down, I almost cried, but I didn't.
Okay, let me go. Maayong buntag, everyone. Maayong buntag, guys.
Look, I did.
Can you say maayong buntag? Say maayong
Maybe I
buntag.
know why Philippines it's expensive.
Why?
Because people need more money. Remember the house some are made of wood?
Uh-huh.
Yeah, they need more money. They need to make it a little more expensive so they can have more food. Yeah, that's why they're
Correct.
crocodile.
What do you think?
But
You see, right?
Very cheap. Bye bye the crocodile. Our mom missed it. Oh, I hope there's also catfish or sharks.
Saan? Saan?
Here, swimming. Crocodile is there.
Crocodile is there.
We missed the traffic.
Mom, do you think I can be a businessman since I got 90% in my business exam?
Well, business is more of applied
know what.
than it should be applied business,
I know
not
one.
books. You understand what I mean? It's better to learn business from the ground
Look, Mom,
when
it's
you are
far
actually
away.
multiplying the money that you have on your hand. Example, I gave you 2,000 baht, and by the end of the month you made it into 3,000 or 4,000 baht. Then
Look,
behind that
Mama
there should be a
died.
business that you were doing. Yeah, just like you know how I take you to the small shops that I have. Those are small businesses that helps me grow my money. And you've seen Mommy we stores. Yeah. So Ashley's learning the business from the ground is not the same as you
Mom,
learning the business
it's
from the
all
books.
like sleepers.
Both
Mom,
are
it's
good,
all like sleepers,
but
Mom.
you have to do
Mom,
the
it's all like
practical.
sleepers.
Yeah, the actual.
It's all like sleepers. Oh, like doctors. Ashley went to the
You wanna go doctor?
store. No. People were asking like this. I want this. I want that. I want this. I want that.
From who?
From Ashley. Then she no.
Yeah. I think Kahil
Because
also
they
do
needed
that.
snacks, okay? They can survive from the earthquake.
Yeah.
And right.
Yeah, we had an
No.
You remember we had an earthquake? The big malls and grocery stores had to close. So Mommy we stores was like a one-stop shop for people. So the business was actually working a lot, I mean faster during those times. Because why do you think people chose to go to that store rather than the mall?
So,
Like sheep or
Mommy
stuff?
B.
After
Mommy
the
go for
earthquake?
dead.
Because
Mommy
the
going
mall
go
is closed?
doctors.
They reopened, but
Mommy,
people still don't want to go
going
there.
the guards.
How do you think they feel?
Many
like
guards.
Yeah.
Look the way. Did you know? I didn't guess what Ashley.
But we're going to Big C.
Look, Mommy. It's a big for the way. Look, the beach. The sky looks like the beach, Mom. Yeah.
The sky looks like the beach.
Yeah.
Good boy.
And the sun looks like the deep giant circle
what?
shark. I'm happy I did. The sun looks like the deep giant fat circle shark. Mama, going fish?
Yes.
Are we going fishing?
No.
Going a fish.
We're gonna do a little bit of playing, and then Kuya Kayo will get some things he needs for himself.
Only like gadget. You steal our mom's tablet. Going a fish.
Says you.
Face the mirror, Calvi, face front.
How did I get good grades then in my exams?
Well, I got
So,
Because you're only in kindergarten.
we welcome Kuya Kahil for today. Kuya Kahil is there. Say hi, Kuya.
Hello. I'm Buntag.
Maing buntag. He's ready with our fair fair money. Calby, can we stop? Can we stop that? Can we stop that, please? I don't let you be together and you start fighting. Let's go to Big C first. So,
to Big C.
yes, I'm going to Big C to get you some few things you need from there. Because here, there's a lot of expensive stuff.
What do I need from Big C?
We'll check.
Yeah.
So, last time na lumabas kami ni Kuya Kahil for a date, hindi namin nakuha lahat ng kailangan niya. So, we will try to pick them again today since kasama ko si Kuya Kahil. So, it's the weekend. So, yung lahat ng soccer training niya, bayad na, pero kailangan niyang skip kasi nga, sinabihan ko yung tatay na let him skip the weekends at least so we can be together and have time together. So, yeah. But there's a lot of things na gusto kong pag-usapan natin today. I just need to have this time kasama yung mga bata. But mamaya magchikahan tayo, magchismisan tayo. Bagay-bagay sa mundo. Bagay-bagay about parenting. Bagay-bagay about marriage. And there's a lot of things. Oh, sorry po. Be, nabangga daw ng kotse yung bungangan eh.
Look, coaches full. Coaches falling
What?
on water.
Kotse?
Coaches full of water.
Sige.
And Thailand have kind of a little scary playground. Full of water, a fish. Place where they have a real hammer. If
Very,
that
ano,
scary place would be
Very observant si Chico. Sabi niya sa sky, the sky looks like the beach. Ang cute. And then sabi niya, the big bright sun looks like a what? A shark? Okay, Mayumi, it's your turn. What do you say?
Thank you, swim on waters.
Thank you. Okay, we are here. Let's go.
Oh, Mom, I remember this place. Kahil.
Hap ko na ka. May penlay ka. Slowly lang.
I remember this place. I remember this place.
Hap ko ka.
Look, Mom, I saw
Hap ko ka. Ka. Alright, let's go. Ay, nako. Okay, thank you. So, tulungan mo muna si Calvi. Tara. Mamaya na, kahit we're going to eat at Suki. Suki Pinoy, where you...
Yes!
Yeah.
I love their beef. It's so
Yeah, I know. You know Suki Pinoy?
Yeah, because after football training, like after when I was on
Hi, Calvi. Calvi. Hi, Chico. Tayo, come here muna. One shoes is big for Chico, right? Come here.
why is he missing one?
They swapped shoes. Tara. Hawakan mo tong isa. Yan. Come. Dito, dito, dali. Hi. Dili na nila ma-remember sa kadami. So, bumalik ako ngayon sa Big C, guys. Itong Big C yung pinuntahan namin habang nag-grocery. Dito ako pumunta kasi mas marami ditong cheaper options when it comes sa mga kailangan ni Kuya Kahil. And, wait. I like this one. This is so cute. Sayang, medyo maliit siya. Medyo maliit. Ayoko naman. Come here. Dito nakabili si Bunny ng damit. Later lang, nak, mag-buy muna tayo ng needs mo. The Vanish. Ban, kuha ka ng isa lang, Ban. Kaya kailangan yung bago-bago gang. Here, here. Tahil, there's a TV behind. Come. So, dito sa grocery nila, meron silang parang playroom. Play area for kids. Iiwan ko muna yung mga bata sa play area kasi para makafocus naman ako kay Kuya Kahil sa mga needs niya. No? Who told you that?
Dad.
No.
Yes. You and Dad have this.
No, walking with swag doesn't show you're smart. Come, come. Here, here, play here. Hadi ka. Ani ka, may mi kun pisaw. Ka, kap ko na ka.
แม่เบอร์โทรค่ะ
ไม่มีเบอร์คนไทย
เป็น
คน
ทัวริสต์ไหมคะ
yes
อ๋อเป็นทัวริสต์มา
yes
เนาะอ๋อ
ไม่เป็นไรประมาณ1 ชั่วโมง
1 ชั่วโมง
ค่ะ
ฟรี
ค่ะ
1 ชั่วโมง
แล้วก็พี่สาวมาด้วยค่ะ
สาวดูโอเค
ค่ะ ครับกันนะคะ Huwag mo maglabas ha. Kaya lali ka. Okay na guys. So meron silang area dito para laruan. Si Mayumi yan na naglalaro na si Mayumi oh. Si Calby tsaka si Chico nandun na din. Ang cute ni Mayumi oh. Cute kayo siya. Hi love. Come nak. Yeah, it's on 20 baht shop. Come on, let's get what you need fast. Come, love. I got your sister slippers from here. 54.94. Very cheap. Let's go get you. What do you need first? Some shirts maybe? You have plenty of t-shirts? Okay. Let's get you this. Boxer shorts. Get like, where is the boxer shorts? Can you choose?
It's not boxers at all.
Should be here. Come, here. This one, but you get the big size. It's here, love. There's medium. There's large. Or this one, get this one. This is medium.
Stretchy.
Yeah, get this one, the large one, love. Check if that one can fit. Then one large black. Or you need a XL.
No, large is fine. I don't need XL.
Where's the pack? Oh, it's here, love. Come. There's a lot. This one is Besico. It's like this. Can you get?
But I like this one. It's fit.
You don't like this? Which brand is that?
This is Aerolite.
You like that better than this? Let me see. Oh yeah, I like that better. Sige, choose na your size, please. Get like 5. Gray, black, blue. That's not the same. I think this one comes in a hanger. All colors blue, no white, no black. I think you can go with black. This is the black one here. Here. Nak.
Yeah.
Black is here. But this is 2XL.
Oh, jeez.
There's no black that is large.
Don't see it.
Are you sure with the size? Because we cannot change it.
Yeah, we won't. One last one. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 should be enough.
Get one daw, be. Mama wants to double check. Get one.
Get one.
And then see how much, how big it can stretch. Remove it. quite small.
My
The
legs are
legs?
pretty small too.
The legs.
Yeah.
Check the legs. Stretch the legs down. No, I mean one from here. It's okay?
Yeah.
You have a big bum yeah. Okay, now let's get you. Do you have water bottle you use in the bedroom?
Yeah. It's the same one that Tita Shina bought me.
No, that one is for sports. You don't need one that's only for the room. Like if you go down, you get water, bring it up in
no,
the room.
because I have bottled water too. Like in my fridge, we have like tons of bottled water.
So you don't need one.
No,
So what else?
save money.
You can get what you need here. You have slippers, you have socks.
Yeah. I'm sure they have a 20 baht shop here.
Not sure inside Big C though.
Because I want the small Beyblade, but I want one
Oh
that
no, there's
looks
a lot
different.
of that at 20 baht shop.
I know, but like I want one from here. Look different. So I don't, that Chico and Colby can tell the difference between mine and theirs. Where is the toy section? This her walk. Oh yeah, Pepsi has a World Cup brand now. And also, oh, they have free football.
This one our food now. Can we go back on the things?
Where's the toy?
Swimming clothes. Let me get you some swimming clothes.
Okay, wait, Bulldog. Whoa! Is this a new flavor?
And what's that?
These are hot sauces.
A hot ramen needs a hot sauce.
If you
How
want
hot
it-
do you want it to be?
If you want it to be more spicy, this can be for my dinner.
For who?
For my dinner. Oh,
Dinner.
you want one
No,
too?
no, thank you. No, thank you. I'm not really into those things.
Okay.
How about not spicy for your brothers? Can you get them one?
Everything is called spicy ramen.
Oh, sorry. Maybe
Wait,
they'll
what about this one? Wait, let me check. Cream
no
bulldog
carbonara
hot
for
chicken.
them. Maybe a different brand.
Mom,
Yeah.
you can put the cheese, but not the chili sauce.
Oh yeah, but they don't like the cheese. They like the normal barbecue thing.
Barbecue.
Alam nyo guys, dati, grabe ako magbili ng noodles. As in, grabe. Even for myself. Kasi madali lang siya, mabilis lang siya, mura lang siya. But then, can actually make our life, you know. We want to grow old when we're healthy. At least we don't die na sakit yung dahilan. At least. Come, let's go back that side. I'm not getting a lot of stuff. Okay, we are still going somewhere after this. But I want to get whatever you need that your dad doesn't have time to get for you. So please make sure that you don't forget anything. Let's go to the men's section and see. Get one piece of swimwear. So when you have activities with your friends, you have something to wear. You might just go somewhere that you need to swim.
Hot cake with milk cream.
Whoa, look at those things. Buy two, get one. Ah, I will get crazy here.
You don't want to buy one for our brother? For my
Careful.
brother?
No, like I said, I don't want to carry. That's so cute.
Little
Soccer
football.
ball. Oh, the number of soap you guys get here is like crazy. I like to get one of these things. How much is it? 299. Bessico. You're my Bessie. You're my best friend. Bessico.
Bessico.
Let's go to the men's section again. Come on.
Okay. Weave.
Anything for specifically for school? You still have pajamas? You have sleepwear?
Yeah.
Oh, those cute. Spider-Man, Superman. I can get them from Philippines though. Let's go. Yun lang daw kailangan. Ay, belt! Get another belt. Get another belt for yourself. Kasi naiwan niya pala yung belt niya. You have socks? There's socks here.
These are really long.
No, just get you have not even tried it yet. How about this? Let's try it first.
Let me get a black one.
Or at
first.
least this one, you see? Or this one.
Yeah, let me try that one first.
That's brown, dark brown. Or you want black. You're suffering and you tell me those things are long. Buti naalala ko na.
What does
Good thing I
that?
remembered. Is it too long? Oh yeah, you're right. You're right. Why don't we get something like this muna? Check this one daw. No. It's gonna give you issues. Try this one. Only for casual clothing. That one you can just poke anywhere. It's not correct, you see? It's all twisted. Wait.
Oh, you're just untightened it.
Okay.
Oh,
Yeah, good now. Remove it first. And okay. That one you can poke anywhere, right?
yeah.
Yeah. That can work. Okay, remove. But we pay there. They might think that we are taking it, so. Any colors? That's okay.
Yeah, that's fine.
Okay, let's go this way, please. Socks?
I have plenty, but I could have more black socks. 'cause
Yeah, can
I
you
have-
get, please? For school?
Yeah.
Sige, go.
We'll cut.
Get like 5.
Yeah, these are stretchy. So, yeah.
This one is different. Look at this one. You want this with the end?
Teachers don't like it when they see these little things on the top.
Okay.
Oh, oopsies. I'll just put it there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There.
Low cut is okay.
Yeah.
Not these things like this, right? Oh no, this
Yeah.
Puma. Okay, come on. You have slippers?
Yep.
What else did you ask me the last time? You still have toothbrush for
Yeah.
your teeth?
Yeah.
You need undershirts?
No, I don't use them. I'm a.
You need anything from here? Container, food container, spoon, fork, whatever?
No.
You need anything
We
for
could have a
school?
container for the Beyblade battle.
No. Come on.
Oh, I didn't see anyone.
Come here.
I didn't see any of them at home.
So I guess yun lang ang kailangan niya. Medyas, underpants, tsaka belt. What's this? Shoe deodorant. You have already? You still have deodorant? You
Yeah.
told me you needed some.
I had already. Dad bought for me in 7.
Okay. Wait lang.
Kaniwa.
This looks nice. But I want the small. Doesn't fit. Does it fit you?
Yeah, but I don't want it.
Okay. Baka meron dito para kay Mayumi. Mayumi, 79 baht. Nak, be nice.
Huh?
You were making noise. I thought you were playing with the thing. Let's go. Ay, eto oh. Ay, malinis. I like this one, this type. Can you try this one, S?
Did you already check what time the movie will be?
Today we're gonna have lunch with friends. Tomorrow you can have your movie.
Oh, okay.
Baby, show me first. That is small size. Yeah? Fits or big?
A bit too big on the width.
Huh?
It's a bit big on the width.
On the width?
Width.
Width. Yeah, you're right. It's a bit too big on the width. Let's go, pay. I think that's about it. Any medicine you need? Anything for your skin?
Nah.
Lotions, whatnot?
My skin is already perfect.
It's not perfect.
It's soft and creamy.
And creamy.
Yeah,
Soft and creamy.
because I put lotion on it.
Which lotion?
Like my rose lotion. Batman.
This is so cute. Batman City, but like basketball jersey. I think your brother will love them.
If he plays basketball, that's the thing.
You check the sale section, see if there's anything interesting.
Beyblade, 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 Beyblade.
Ang cute naman ito. 399. Oh, this is so cute.
Mom. Oh.
Ang ganda nila dito mag-sale. Choco ceramic mug.
There was something
59.
interesting, but I put it back.
What was it?
Huh? It starts with an I and ends with an M.
Come on. Are you seriously gonna make me think?
Yeah.
Come on.
It has 2 words in it, and kids love it on hot days.
Ice cream.
Yeah, but I'm gonna save it for later, like after a meal or something. Cause I want to try that new banana ice cream at Dairy Queen. Gotham City, Joker.
Oh, the banana ice cream there?
Yeah,
But can you please hide it from them?
yeah.
Because they're having like bad cough. Bad cough.
Ice cream doesn't help bad cough. Doesn't it like cool down the throat?
No.
Ooh, dinosaur game.
All of these are 100 baht or it starts with 100 baht?
I think it all is 100 baht.
That's
Doesn't
cool.
look worth more than 100. How could they put a toy section but they can't even put Beyblades?
I'll sign up here.
There
You're
was
not-
an open spot over there.
She was lining up a lot of clothes. So, one last look at the things you need. Nothing else, because sometimes you remember things when you're
Needs.
already at the counter.
Needs, want.
Toothbrush.
Check.
Look at there. Turn around. Stuff for your skin, for your teeth.
I think I have everything. Maybe a perfume would be nice, but like,
I can leave you mine, the one I used for you today.
yeah.
Is it smelling nice?
Yeah.
Okay. Come on. Oh, peanut butter.
Can buy at the 20 baht
There
shop.
was no at 7-Eleven today. Do you
There
mind?
is. They have,
Peanut butter.
yeah, they have it at 7-Eleven. Did you check
I
the
was
butter
from
section?
there.
Did you check the butter section?
Come and put.
Did you check the butter section?
Yeah, and I even asked them and they said it's not there.
Oh, okay. That 7-Eleven shop is trash.
Watch your mouth, please.
Okay.
Hapon ka. Abe, are you okay?
Yeah. Could you help me while
Yeah.
I put on?
Sure.
So which way am I supposed to face? Like this? Yeah.
Hop. Okay, we should stop walking first.
Okay.
Then I can get you your Dairy Queen banana, have it, and pick up your brothers.
Okay.
Gusto niya kasi yung ice cream, guys. Kaso sabi ko, huwag niyang pakita sa mga kapatid niya kasi grabe yung ubo. Yung ubo na parang hindi na siya natatanggal forever. That belt is good, not bad.
Yeah.
I think it's pineapple. Am I right? I think the chocolate one is also very good. Is it the first time you tried it? Hmm?
Yeah. I think it's a new menu. Wait, try the
Is that a
banana.
real juice? Look,
Huh.
there in the big glass. Is that real?
It looks real.
Is that real? Oh, it's a model. Oh, เป็นชิงชิงใช่ไหมคะชิงใช่ไหมอ๋อ akala ko model. Song Kale, 50 baht. It's real. It looks so perfect.
Banana. Very yummy.
Diba? Mga lalaki nyo dyan versus yung anak ko na hanggang ngayon sinusubuan pa rin ako ng ice cream. Yummy?
Yeah.
Mmm. Thank you.
Last one.
I can have it. Let's go check when you're done. Let's go check on your brothers and sister.
Yeah.
Let's go this way muna. I want to check on something, love. This is cute. Slowly lang. Yay! No more. They're trying to, hammer. That's not how you fix it. She's gonna teach you how to do it. So ito guys, another libre na playroom para sa mga bata. So ayan si Calvi, naglalaro ng Lego. So ito siya, nasa loob mismo ng grocery nila. Para habang nag-grocery, pwedeng iwan yung mga bata naglalaro. Ayan si Kuya Kyle, nakisali na din. What's that? What are you doing?
Doing this game. It looks pretty fun.
Simple lang naman siya na playroom. Tapos may mga nagbabantay din ng mga stock ng grocery. So, kunyari, yung mga bata, medyo magulo kasi minsan sa grocery. Pwede silang iwan dito. Ang galing lang, libreng-libre lang guys. Sobrang libre lang niya. Si Calby, busy na din, no? Kakalaro. Iba din yung laro ni Calby. Nagtatago siya ng mga items. Sasahanapin niya lang din. Tatambay muna kami dito kasi libre naman. I will get this one na ka.
Okay.
Oh, Chico, oh. Oh, galing ah. Hip, hip. Really? Sige daw, go daw. Pero wala battery yan. Oh, Mayumi also. Yehey. Yehey. Nagrereklamo si Calby kasi gusto niya magbasa. Ang problema, nakapasa Thai. Yan yung letters ng Thai, guys. Kahit balibalik ka rin natin, hindi natin mababasa yan. Ito lang nabasa natin. Pangalan ng lugar, Suphanburi, Pamok, Angthong, Ayutthaya. In fairness, this is a good book. Kaya nga lang, talagang Thai book. Walang English? Calby, walang English, anak? Wala daw English eh. Mi ani pasaangkitไหมคะไม่มีเป็นภาษาไทยหมด Okay, ขอบคุณนะคะ They said no, only Thai books. Sorry. Malungkot si Calby eh. Oh, ขอบคุณนะคะ Oh, come. English daw to. Oh. You like this? Oh.
Yeah, but it's
You just check it out. Check it out. Come here. Come. It has pictures. Come on. What's right with these pictures? What's right and what's wrong? Up, Calby. Pick up the container, please. Sabi ni Bunny, come on guys, who wants story? Tapos pagbukas niya, hindi niya pala mabasa. Asan ang Tagalog dito, madam? Ayan, letter A, pwede yan. Ah. Sabi niya, madam, saan dito yung Tagalog na libro? Loko. Go, Chico! Go, Chico! Go, Mayumi! Si Mayumi busy din, no? Alright. Ay, it has been a long day. It has been a long day, you guys, but it has been very productive day. So, tamang-tama ngayong araw. Talagang uminit yung panahon kaya natuyo po yung aking mga nilabhan. At ang ganda kasi kapag maganda yung init ng araw. Dahil talagang mabango yung nilabhan, no? Very fresh. So, sawadee ka. Sobrang productive ng araw natin, you guys. Imagine, nagawa ko yung mga dapat kong gawin. Nabili ko yung mga dapat kong bilhin. Lalong-lalo na yung mga needs ni Kuya Kahil. Nailabas ko yung mga bata. We spent time with kay Achi, kasama yung mga kaibigan namin. Ano pa ba? Yun lang. Basically, most of them are all, today is money out. Hindi pa rin ako nakakapaghanap ng way na makapagbenta, maghanap buhay. Kasi nga, naaalangan ako dahil yung mga bata may iwan. But I posted something and I wanted to talk about it. About dito sa lapses sa relationship, lapses sa marriage, kung bakit hindi nag-work out yung marriage. And some of you commented na they are waiting for this episode kasi mention ko naman sa inyo before kung ano yung lapses ko sa marriage. Pero it's the first time na narinig ko na sinabi ni Mr. Higa na ako din daw may lapses sa marriage. Kung ano yung topic namin, wag nyo nang tanungin. Basta may lumabas sa bibig niya na hindi ka din perfecto, meron ka ding lapses. Hindi man talaga ako perfecto, tama naman. Pero kung tanungin nyo ako, wala na siyang sinabi na details. Wala naman siyang sinabi na details sa akin kung ano yung aking lapses sa marriage. Basta ang sabi niya lang, meron din akong pagkukulang. Sana all pagkukulang. Sino ka? Sharon Cuneta and Gabby Concepcion. No? May pagkukulang din tayo sa marriage. So, if you're going to ask me, Madam Princess Higa, saan ka nagkulang sa marriage mo? You know, kung ikaw yung tatanungin namin na kung bakit nag-fall out yung marriage mo. Bakit ka niloko, 'di ba? Bakit kumaliwa? Kumaliwa, kumanant, nagpaikot-ikot. Si Mr. Higa. Okay? Well, there are some things na I noticed about myself. Okay? Some of you can say your comment. Pwede kayong mag-comment. Kunyari, kamusta yung marriage ninyo? Naghiwalay ba kayo? Ano yung lapses ninyo? Ano yung lapses ng partner ninyo? Or maybe sa inyo. Let's not even talk about your partner. Let's talk about just you. Okay? Kasi tama naman, huwag tayong magpa-ipokrita, di ba? Huwag tayong manghugas ng kamay. For sure, meron din tayong lapses. And for this episode, I would like to talk to you guys about sa aking sariling lapses. And are these lapses enough for how I was treated? Alright? Kasi how people treats you is not under our control. Okay? What I can do is yung mga behavior ko lang. So, who am I as Princess Higa? Unang-una, ayoko yung ganito. Hindi ako ganitong klaseng babae. Ever since, kahit naman nasa relationship, or sa mga kapatid ko, I don't enjoy yung hingi. Hingi. Kilala ako ng mga kapatid ko na nanghihingi kapag red alert na. When I am on the dead end. Kahit tanungin ninyo si Achi, she had a lot of experience with me nung nasa high school at college pa lang ako, na never nila akong naririnig na nanghihingi, not unless talagang zero balance na, yung gutom na ako at wala na akong nahanap na paraan. Okay? So ngayon, I don't like that. Hindi ako nakikipag-compete. I am not competing with Mr. Higa. Let's talk about specific, no? Hindi ako nakipag-compete kay Mr. Higa when it comes sa pera. Hindi ako nakikipag-compete kay Mr. Higa kung sino yung mas matalino, sino yung mas magaling. It's just my character. Yung characteristic ko na ayoko na binibigyan lang or nanghihingi lang ng pera. So I guess that kind of character as a woman, yung parang hindi ka feminine, no? Kasi lagi ako naghahanap ng way na maka-income. Hindi ko lang alam if that's one of the reason. I guess sa tatay din ni Kuya Kahil, feeling ko one of the greatest or biggest reason kung bakit nag-fall out din kami is because parang may ego na natapakan. Parang may ego akong natapakan. Not really, I was not conscious na I was stepping on the man's ego. I was just so busy doing things that can actually make me earn money. Hindi ko naging intention or hindi ko naging goal na ipamukha sa lalaki na mas malaki yung kita ko sa'yo. I just enjoy making money, that's all. I just enjoy growing or rolling income. Okay? Ikalawa, hindi ako Disney princess na babae, guys. Hindi ako yung klase ng babae na pagdating mo sa bahay, nakatunganga lang sa'yo, bubukaka lang sa'yo, hindi ganun. I don't like that. I am a very hands-on person. If napanood nyo yung video ko, hindi ko alam gaano kayo katagal nanood sa akin. I'm sure marami sa inyo dito nanood. Wala pa si Chico sa buhay namin. I'm sure marami sa inyo dito nakapanood, kakapanganak ko pa lang kay Chico. Nung sumasakay pa lang ako sa truck. And you saw how most of the time, if I get a no, okay? If you answer me no, just no, I'm going to do everything I can to make what I want or what I need possible. I don't know kung nakakalalaki yung aking character na ganyan, pero that's just who I am. Next natin is, I guess I am too hands-on with things to the point na hindi na ako yung nagiging typical na babae na susunod-sunod lang. Hindi ako yung typical na babae na sunod-sunuran sa kung ano yung gusto mo. Okay? I like doing things. Ayoko yung, if you cannot make it possible, magtatanong ako why? 'Di ba? And because I can do things on my own, because I enjoy being independent. Hindi ako yung klase ng babae na pagdating mo sa bahay, nakatunganga lang, nag-aantay lang sa'yo, nakanganga lang ng ganun. No. Ako yung klase ng babae na pagkadating mo ng bahay, either wala ako or andyan ako pero busy ako sa something else. I like to be productive. Okay? Ang hirap mag-balance ng responsibilidad. Okay? Lalo na pag nanay ka. If nakafocus ako sa mga bata, make sure na wala akong oras para sa, maybe I lost time. Maybe I did not give him, si Mr. Giga, ng enough time at attention. Okay? Maybe natapakan ko yung pagkalalaki niya, yung ego niya, knowing na, 'di ba? Kasi during that time, guys, I was already earning from vlogging. Alam nyo yan. Malakas yung aking content creating. Nasa Africa ako, nasa Uganda ako. Because nobody took risk or nobody naglakas loob na mag-content create around Uganda or around Africa. Okay? So, my content was really something that is unique, worth watching, educational, entertaining. 'Di ba? Inspiring, motivating. Nagka-crush sa akin, nakapal ng mukha. Hindi guys, joke lang 'yun, wag yung seryosohin. I'm just saying na they were actually really motivated and inspired with the story of my life. I did not intend my life to be out there publicly, kasama na yung marriage ko kasi nakatulong one factor of the fallout of the marriage is because I put everything out there. Okay? So, may isang beses na feeling ko ay talagang naapakan ko yung ego ni Mr. Giga. May dumating siya ng mga team ng mga engineers. And these engineers saw kung gaano ako kabisi. Alam niyo no, yung pinagkakabisihan ko, I was packing chitenge fabric or yung authentic African fabric na I sold to other Filipinos. And it gave me income, It actually help me roll yung mag-rolling ng pera. And sometimes, pinakaayaw din kasi siguro ng lalaki na nakikita ng mga kasamahan niyang lalaki na, uy, yung wife niya napakagaling maghanap ng pera. 'Di ba? Siguro nakaka-ano din yun sa pagkalalaki niya. 'Di ba? Ngayon, hindi din ako yung klase ng babae na parang, sorry sa word ha, I don't want to say the whole word, but hindi ako yung, ang hirap sabihin kasi baka mamaya maano tayo ni YouTube, no? Basta hindi ako yung klase ng babae na typical na kung ano yung gusto mo mangyari, nandyan lang ako para sa'yo. Some might even say maybe I'm competitive, but that's not something that I intend to do. Hindi ko gusto makipag-compete. It's just who I am and who I became after growing in a hard way, after having a hard life growing up. Okay? So, ayan si Atchi. Sana mga bata maraming lamok. Ay, okay. So, is that enough reason, 'di ba? May magtanong, okay, we have our lapses kasi hindi naman talaga na perfect ka, no? Dapat din tayo, open din tayo sa marriage, sa mga lapses natin sa marriage. So maybe there's also this factor na, let's say, wala ka ng oras, wala ka ng panahon, kasi nga hindi naman ikaw yung babae na dependent. You are very independent. But the big question is, wait lang, lipat natin to dito. Ayan. The biggest question is that enough reason para lokohin ka? Or is that an excuse para, yun nga, lokohin ka or magsakabilang buhay? Sana nga, no? Sumakabilang buhay na lang, no? Or magsakabilang bahay yung yung partner. It's not. Okay? Lalo na kung ikaw naman ay very focused sa iyong responsibility as nanay, or maybe nga may lapses ka naman talaga as asawa kasi syempre Paano pa magampanan pag-asawa ko sa'yo na hands-on ako, iba ilan yung anak natin dito, oh? 4, tas may 2 pa, 6 sila lahat, oh, di ba? Tas ikaw lang inaasahan, magpunta ka sa, magsakit yung mga bata, ha? Magsakit yung mga bata, ikaw mag-asikaso. Pag na-admit sa hospital, ikaw matutulog tabi ng mga bata. Pag may event sa eskwelahan, ikaw yung a-attend. Pag magpe-perform yung mga bata, kahit saan, ikaw pa rin yung nandyan. Kapag merong sports yung mga bata, ikaw pa din. Pag may party, may birthday, may invite, ikaw pa din. Sa project, ikaw pa din. Pag nagutom yung mga bata, ikaw pa din. Shopping ng mga damit ng mga bata kasi wala na silang maisuot, ikaw pa din. Plano ng mga outing, ikaw pa din. So how do you still expect me to be there? Okay? Walang understanding. There's a lack of communication. There's a lack of appreciation. There's a lot of lacking things. Okay? So, in the end, if you're going to ask me, lahat ba ng lapses ko na yon, did I ever think na, deserve ko naman lokohin? Kasi, no. I never thought of that. I did my best for my marriage. And if what I did for my marriage was not enough for him, and so be it. Kasi I cannot give him more than what I did give him. Kasi pag binigay ko pa more than kung ano yung nabigay ko na, wala na siguro ako ngayon, guys. Either nabuang na ako, guys, or napatay na ako sa stress. You can't even imagine how I was diagnosed with hyperthyroidism. So toxic that it gave me very extreme anxiety and depression when I came back from Uganda. Imagine if I did more than what I already did when I was there. Imagine if I stayed. Imagine if I did not walk out of the marriage. Imagine if I kept on accepting kung ano yung hindi ko na dapat i-accept. And some people always ask me, no, Ma'am, everyone deserves a second chance. Yes, buti lang sana kung second chance lang. Paano pag 20-second chances na? Okay? Paano pag 20-second chances na? Actually, Mr. Higa, napakaswerte niya pa din sa akin, guys. Maswerte nang siya sa akin. Okay, fine, kung hindi siya naswerte sa akin na nasawa niya ako dati, kay siguro ibang hanap niya, no? Hindi natin alam, ang malalaki, minsan masyadong magulo ang utak nila. But, maswerte siya sa akin na naging ex-wife niya ako, guys. Kasi yung mga bata, hindi talaga magutuman sa akin. Okay? At hindi ako yung klase ng babae na didemonyuhin ko yung buhay niya. Pagani siya ng paraan na ma-appreciate ko siya no matter what. Kahit na ang kanyang ginagawa ay bare minimum lang. Okay? So again, maraming nag-comment nun, Madam, hindi naman talaga perfect, wala naman talagang perfect na marriage. Yes, wala naman talagang perfect na marriage. Hindi ko naman sinabi na marriage is actually perfect. But, let us keep in mind that when you are married, okay, or in any relationship that we are keeping, it is very important and it's very big thing na manatili ang inyong communication at respeto sa isa't isa. Alright? Kasi, pareho kayong tao. Ba tae ang sabi ko, 'di ba? Marriage is really complicated. Sabi nila it could actually be simple. No. It will never be simple. Alam niyo kung bakit, guys? Kasi alam niyo kung bakit hindi siya simple? Kasi by the time you are married, you already have your family. May mga bata na kayong kailangan i-consider. May mga bills na kayong kailangan bayaran. Meron na kayong mga needs na walang katapusan. So slowly, if you cannot maintain your communication at yung respeto ninyo with all the responsibilities that you are having on your shoulders as a husband and wife, as a father at saka mother and father ng mga bata, it will, yung marriage ninyo at yung relationship ninyo, it can just slowly drift away. Okay? Dahan-dahan siyang mawawala yung connection. Okay lang sana pag dahan-dahan lang nawala yung connection, pero kung dahan-dahan na nawawala pati yung pera ninyong dalawa, ay hindi naman pwede yung ganon. Diba, guys? So again, there is no perfect marriage. And it's so sad. May nagtanong may nakita ako sa timeline, 'di ba? They said, bakit daw yung mga relationship ay hindi pwedeng magstay as they are? Why can't they stay as they are when it first started? Kunyari, in love kayo sa isa't isa. Bakit hindi pwedeng ganun na lang hanggang sa tumanda kayo? And then I got the answer that I was looking for. I knew the answer, pero mas maganda na marinig mo siya sa iba, word for word, no? So, ang sagot ng lalaki, kasi babae yun ang tanong, ang sagot ng lalaki is, it is because we only fell in love with the person that we met. But when that person changed, when their character changed because of a lot of factor, katulad ng sinabi ko, yung responsibilities, yung needs ninyo, yung mga nakatotohanan na ng buhay, yung mga bills ng bahay, kuryente, tubig, pagkain, grocery, hospital, paaralan ng mga bata, yung fact na nagtatrabaho yung asawa mo, yung fact na nagtatrabaho yung husband mo, yung fact na halos hindi na kayo magkita, it changes people no? It changes people. And because we only want to keep in love dun sa tao na nakilala natin at the start, madali tayong nadi-disappoint, madali tayong nafo-fall out of love, or madali tayong parang nawawalan na tayo ng gana because we did not actually consider that people change. People change because of the responsibility, people change because of the reality of life, 'di ba? So how? Then sinabi nung lalaki na you should always try to choose to accept that person na meron talagang changes during the course of your marriage or your relationship. But still, we are still going to go back dun sa part na you have to talk. You have to talk and communicate. So, I would say kudos and congratulations sa lahat ng mga relationship and marriage man or no marriage who were able to keep their marriage na kahit na may pinagdaanan silang napakahirap at napakalalim, ay talagang pinili nilang, stay together and just see, na maybe you can still give it a chance. Right? Kasi in the end, I would say we all have our boundaries. Ako lang as Princess Higa, we all have things that we can accept, no? Meron tayong mga bagay na kaya nating tanggapin, kaya nating i-tolerate. Kaya nating ma-stretch na boundary natin. Pero when it comes to a point that you know or you feel na this is it, eto na yon, hanggang dito na lang, then that's when you give up. So, sa sinabi ni Mr. Higan, I also have lapses in my marriage. That is true. That is very true. But I was waiting for him to tell me, i-itemize niya isa-isa kung ano ba yung sinasabi niya na kasalanan ko sa marriage. Kasi kung may sabihin siya na kasalanan ko sa marriage, hindi niya ma-justify ang ginawa niya. 'Di ba? Mag-init na naman ang ulo ko nito, kay gibalik niya na naman sa akin. Just accept it already. Hindi pa nga ako nakatanggap ng apology. Hindi pa nga ako nakatanggap ng sorry. Hindi pa nga ako nakatanggap ng specific na apology for what something that you've done. Tapos magsabi ka na sa akin na you are also not perfect, you also have lapses in the marriage. Sino sabi sa'yo na perfect? Ako? Di ba? Wala man nagsabi. Malay ko ba kung yung mga ginapuntahan mo nung kasal pa tayo, magkasama pa tayo, nag-split sila? Di ba? Hindi ko alam anong ginagawa nila. Malay mo, nag-gymnastic sila. Hindi ko man kaya mag-gymnastic. So, I have lapses. Diba, guys? You know what I'm trying to say here. Right? So, again, I believe in love. I believe in respect, but I don't believe in marriage. That's for sure. You can love and respect someone without the document or the paper of marriage. I just hope and pray for everyone to be happy and on top of it all, to be at peace with their partner. Yung moment na kasama kang tumanda, gano'n na moment sana. No? So sana you found your tahanan. Sana you found your payapa. Ako 36 na ako, guys, no? Huwag nyo na itanong sa akin kung I found my payapa, ha? Okay. Yung nakagat pa ko sang lamok di ho kay gabi na. Okay, so yeah. I guess that's about it. Tamang-tama natapos na din ako. Meron akong gustong i-chismis sa inyo, guys, na talagang na-Shakira ako, pero ginakagat na tayo ng lamok. I'm going to talk to you guys on the next episode na lang. Much love, Princess Higa.